Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a life update for a house update. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. I have been telling you guys that I am building a house. It's not really building a house, it's not my house. We're gonna be living in it, but I'm gonna explain that later on in the video in the house, so just keep watching if you guys like that kind of thing. I love that kind of stuff, so I felt like you guys probably would want to see it. It's in the very early stages and I'll explain it later, but I'm gonna go over some things about my life that have changed lately. So my channel is gonna change just a tiny bit, and yeah, so I'm excited for the future and for 2019, and I just kind of want different content on here, and I think it's gonna be a really good change for you guys too. As you guys grow with me, things change, hobbies change, people have kids, things like that, so and you're getting older with me too, so I feel like we're kind of in the same stage of life. Also, I want to explain to you guys the house a little bit. It is a tiny house, so it's like kind of tiny living. It's not like super small living, but it's pretty small. So yeah, that's just something that you guys can look forward to. I know that not everybody has mansions, me included. New year, new me. I will see you guys later. So this right now, where we're in, is my living room and kitchen. So it is a tiny home, but it's only the three of us right now. And yeah, so it's really not, we don't really need too much. Plus we're very grateful. But also, I kind of wanted to tell you guys that I don't have the opportunity to pick like what my kitchen looks like, what my flooring looks like, and my bathroom. It's kind of like a generic bathroom. It's not our dream house, of course, but it's something that's new and exciting. Right now we're living in a 100-year-old house. It's actually Chuck's grandma's house, who has since passed away a long time ago, but she has lived in that house. It's like 105 years old, so it's really, really old. And yeah, so I'm just trying to, I want to kind of give you guys a sneak peek, but I want to also be respectful to my in-laws, things like that. So I'm just gonna show you guys around. You guys can't really tell what's going on because it's like the bare bones of the house. We don't have any drywall up. We have nothing. We have windows, and actually almost everything's done. My husband, Chuck, is an electrician, so he did all the lights and stuff, and plumbing's done, heating ducts and stuff are done, but the kitchen's not in, the floor's not in, the drywall's not in. But yeah. Excuse me. The kitchen, the living room, and dining table is all in one room. It's an open floor plan. I actually like that, but it does give me some challenges to like where I put my couch. And there's windows, which I love. There's a million windows in here, or a lot for me, because in the house I am in now, there's like no windows. But I feel like I am, my hair is wet, but I feel like I am like Tim the Tool Man, you know what I mean? But yeah, so there's windows here. I'm gonna show you guys everything and like what room mine is, like mine and Olivia's. Our rooms, like I said, is very small. It's tiny living, but it's like something different. I'm not the kind of YouTuber that's living in the big houses, and like the finest furnishings and like finishing touches. Like, it's just not my my deal right now. Maybe in like 10 years. But yeah, so there's the bathroom behind that wall. There's actually gonna be a closet. Where am I at? There's gonna be a closet right here. We are. So that's the front door. We actually have a glass front door. I don't know how that's gonna go down, but we'll figure it out. What's it called? There's gonna be a closet right there. That's just to store a bunch of stuff because we don't really have big closets and things to store, so hopefully that will be kind of like our storage. Right now we're standing in where like the TV and the couch is gonna be. It's kind of very hard to tell, especially, that's why I'm not buying a couch right now, because I have no idea really where I should put stuff. Sorry, they're putting in the cable right now. So behind this wall is the bathroom, which I'll show you guys. And then right here is gonna be the kitchen. Let's see if I can show you guys. So the island's probably gonna come out to right here. So that's also gonna be another roadblock, because I'm gonna need to put a couch It's a lot smaller than, because it looks kind of big on camera, but I'm gonna have to have a walkway between here and like a kitchen table area. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, kitchen table area should be there. And then couch. So literally it's all couch and kitchen in this room. I'm gonna go and show you down the hallway. So down the hallway, wait, I can't tell. Down the hallway is our room, Olivia's room, and the bathroom, and an office. It's very small. My room's a 10 by 10, my room's a 12 by 12, and Olivia's is a 10 by 11 or 10 by 12, or yeah, 10 by 12. I'm not sure, but I'll show you guys. So here's the front door area. Like I said, it's construction zone right now. There's the bathroom, like literally standard, like rental type of bathroom. And then like a closet should be there. Yeah, so we walk down here, and this is an office. Like, I feel like you guys can't see. Once the drywall's up, you will see how small these rooms are really. But like I said, we're not asking for much, and we're excited that it's new. So this is the office. Here's the bathroom. Like I said, super like generic bathroom. You know what I mean? Like, it's not floor to ceiling tiles with a steam shower. It's just not what we can go for right now. So that's what we can do. Here's Chuck and I's room. I don't know why there's car things here, but those are gonna go. I think they were in the rafters, but so yeah. So here's Chuck and I's room. Sorry if you can hear Chuck and my dad talking. We have a king size bed, a Cal King, which actually I probably will do a review on because I'm getting a new one, a Tempur-Pedic one, and I'm really excited. But my room is just gonna be a bed. I'm not gonna have a dresser because we're gonna do closet systems. It is a slider closet, but we're gonna do like drawers and then 4 racks for Chuck and I's clothes. I don't have that many clothes because I'm really picky and it just sucks anyway, but yeah, so maybe 2 bedside tables and a bed. That is it in my room. I want to be like minimalist. I'm out of breath because it's cold and I have wet hair. Here is Olivia's room. Super small, but she doesn't need much because she's a baby or toddler, whatever. So I'm gonna have her crib / toddler bed probably around here somewhere. Table and chair set so she can sit down and play like with Play-Doh and do her ABCs type of thing, and then like a toy chest here. She's not having a dresser as well. She has one in our house now, but there's just no room, and I don't think it will fit through the doors here anyway, so that's okay. She's gonna have a closet system here, and the other room's gonna have a closet system there as well. So let's see. This year is definitely, I feel like Trailer Trash Tammy on Instagram. This year is definitely something that's gonna change for us, which is nice, and I need a huge change. I'll probably talk about it in my video, but yeah, I'm just gonna change around my social media a lot just because I feel like I haven't been portraying like me. And like I want you guys to see more into my family and my home life, and yeah, just like this year is gonna be probably a crazy year, I'm hoping, like a good crazy. Yeah, so okay, so let me show you. This should be yeah, so this is gonna be the kitchen, so it's gonna come all the way out to the slider here. So that's gonna be the kitchen. That's not gonna be the kitchen table. They just put it in here so they can figure out where they're gonna put a chandelier, which I actually don't like that placement, so I have to tell them. Because I really want a table to kind of go here. So that's not the center. And I'll tell Chuck that. I should do that before they put drywall up. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna have a long table, hopefully. And that's gonna be it. Kitchen table there, and then couch here. So like I said, you guys, I'm working with a really small area, and I have to do couch from here. Oops, sorry, I almost fell. I have to do couch from here on. So probably right where this saw is. Actually, no, it has to be even more against the wall because I need a walkway to the kitchen, the table, and the back window there. So if any interior designers can help me out, I have no idea how to do any of this, and yeah, I really don't like where that's centered, so I have to tell Chuck. But yeah, that is my house. That's my house in a nutshell. Yeah, it's crazy. I don't really know what else to say. Oh, and I'm gonna like share little tidbits of like how to do Olivia's room. And once the drywall's up, I'll probably do an empty house tour because I have a feeling I'm not gonna have enough, it's not enough funds, but I have a feeling that I'm not gonna have a couch and a kitchen table all at once. I'm gonna have to like save up and stuff like that. So I don't wanna do like a furnished house tour because I'm not gonna be done for like probably till like June, honestly, because it's a lot of things that I want and I'm not gonna be feeling done. So I'll probably do a unfurnished house tour when everything's like, the kitchen's gonna be done because we already have our appliances and stuff. But the bedrooms and all that stuff is not gonna be done. Olivia's room probably is gonna be done because I got like I'll probably do a whole video of like decorating my kids' room, whatever. This is a video, it's talking so much, but I know that you guys are really interested in this. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.